Welcome to St. Mary English High School. Subject Mathematics, Standard 7th, Chapter 3rd, HCF and LCM. Now today in this video we will study what is LCM and how we will find out the LCM. LCM means least common multiple. Now LCM. Now what is LCM? LCM means least common multiple. Now while finding the LCM you have to keep some points in your mind. Now see, the least common multiple of the given numbers is the smallest number that is divisible by each of the given number. Means what? Now see, in the previous standard you had find out the LCM by writing the multiples of the given number. What you have done over there? You had written the multiples of the given number, then you had find out the common multiples, and in common multiple whichever is the smallest multiple, that is your LCM. But here we have to find out the LCM by doing the factorization. Clear everyone? So see, there are the three methods for finding the LCM. First is you can find out the LCM by writing the multiple. Second is by prime factorization, means by using the factor tree, and third one is the repeated division method. So here we will follow the repeated division method for finding the LCM. So see the example how you will going to find out the LCM. Now here we have to find out the LCM of 16, 28 and 40. So see how you will going to find out the LCM of 16, 28 and 40. So first what you have to do? First you have to do the factorization. Clear everyone? So see, 16, 28 and 40. Now tell me, 16, 28 and 40 is divisible by which number? Now it is divisible by 2. That is 2 8s is 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 0s are 0. Now 8, 14 and 20 again is divisible by 2. That is 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14 and 2 1s are 2, 2 0s are 0, means 2 10s are 20. Now 4, 7 and 10 is divisible by which number? Now as you can see that 4, 7 and 10 is not divisible by single number. 4 and 10 is divisible by 2, but 7 is not divisible by 2. So what you will do here is, now see, while finding the LCM, if the two numbers are together divisible by any of the number, you have to divide it. But if the third number is not divisible by that number, you have to write down that number as it is. So here 4 and 10 is divisible by 2, but 7 is not divisible by 2. So I have written 7 as it is. Now I will divide 4 and 10 by 2. So 2 2s is 4, 2 5s is 10. Our remainder is 2, 7 and 5. Now see how you will going to find out the LCM. Now for finding the LCM, now see, while finding the HCF we need only our common factor, but while finding the LCM we need our common factor as well as the uncommon factor. Clear? So it means that we will take both the factor which you have written on the left hand side as well as our remainder. Clear? So see, common factor multiply by uncommon factor. So our common factor is 2 into 2 into 2, and our uncommon factor means you have to take the remainder. Remainder is our uncommon factor, that is 2 into 7 into 5. Clear? We have to take common factor as well as uncommon factor. While finding the LCM we have to take both common factor as well as uncommon factor. So here if you will multiply common factor and uncommon factor, you will get your LCM as 560. Clear? So like this you have to solve your LCM. You have to find out your LCM. Clear? Now let's see our practice set 13. How you will do the practice set 13. Now see student, practice set 13. First one, find the LCM. Now first 12 and 15. Now here you have to find out the LCM of 12 and 15. So see how you will going to find out the LCM of 12 and 15. Now here you have to find out the LCM by factorization. So here 12 and 15 is divisible by which number? Yes, 12 and 15 is divisible by 3. 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. So what will be your now 4 and 5? 4 and 5 is divisible by itself. So what will be your LCM? Yes, here you have to take the common factor as well as your uncommon factor. So 3 into 4 into 5. So what you will get? So 3 4s are you will get 12, 12 5s are you will get 60. So your LCM is 60. Clear everyone? Now see the second one, 6, 8 and 10. Now 6, 8 and 10. What is the LCM of 6, 8 and 10? Now 6, 8 and 10 is divisible by 2. That is 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Now our remainder is 3, 4 and 5. So 3, 4 and 5 is divisible by itself. So what will be your LCM? So therefore your LCM will be, you have to take common factor as well as uncommon factor. That is 2 into, that is you have to take 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Clear? So what you will get your LCM over here? That is you will get 120 as your LCM. Clear? Now see the third one, 18 and 32. Now what is the LCM of 18 and 32? 18 and 32 is divisible by 2. That is 2 9s are 18 and 2 1s are 2. 1 carry, it will become 12. 2 6s are 12. Now our remainder is 9 and 16. So 9 and 16 is divisible by itself. So what will be your LCM? Your LCM will be common factor as well as uncommon factor. So 2 into 9 into 16. So here what you will get? Here you will get that is 288. Your LCM. Clear? Now see the fourth one, 10, 15 and 20. Now we have to find out the LCM of 10, 15 and 20. So how you will do? Now see, all the three numbers are not divisible by a single number. 10, 15 and 20 is not divisible by a single number. 10 and 20 is divisible by 2. So first we will divide 10 and 20 by 2. 15 you have to write down as it is. Clear everyone? In LCM what you have to do, if the two numbers are divisible by a single number and third number is not divisible, that number you will write down as it is and you will divide this two number. Clear everyone? So 2 5s are you will get 10 and 2 1s are 2, 2 zeros are 0, means 2 10s are will be 20. Now 5, 15 and 10. Together all the three number is divisible by, that is 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. Clear? Now what will be your LCM over here? Your LCM will be 2 into 5 into 1 into 3 into 2. So what you will get is as your LCM? Here you will get your LCM, that is 60. Clear everyone? Now see the next one. Now next one, 45 and 86. Now tell me 45 and 86 is divisible by which number? 45 and 86. Now here 45 and 86 is not divisible by together with any of the number. So what you will do is 86 is divisible by 2. So we will divide 86 with 2. This 45 we will write down as it is. So 2 4s are you will get 8 and 2 3s are you will get 6. Now 45 and 43 is divisible by which number? Now 45 and 43, again it is not divisible by together with any of the number. So 45 is divisible by 3. So 43 will come as it is and 45 we will divide with 3. So 3 1s are 3, 1 carry, 3 5s are 50. Clear everyone? Now 15 and 43 is divisible by which number? Again 15 is divisible by 3 but 43 is not divisible by 3. So we will write down 43 as it is. 3, that is 3 5s are 50. Clear everyone? Now again 5 is divisible by itself and 43 is divisible by again itself. Now here what you will do? You will find out what? You will find out the LCM. See, here 43 will come as it is. 5 is divisible by 5. 5 1s will be 5. Clear everyone? Now see how you will find out the LCM. So therefore LCM will be 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 43. So what will be your LCM? Here your LCM is 3870. Clear everyone? Now see the next one, 15, 30 and 90. Now tell me 15, 30 and 90 is divisible by 15, 30 and 90. 15, 30 and 90 is divisible by which number together? Now see, 30 and 90 is divisible by 2, but 15 is not divisible by 2. So 15 we will write down as it is, 30 and 90 we will divide with 2. So 2 ones are 2, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10 and 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, 2 5s are, it will become 10. So now 15, 15 and 45 is divisible by which number? All the three number is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15 and 3 1s are 3, 1 carry, it will become 15, 3 5s are 15. Now 5, 5 and 15 is divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5 and 5 3s are, you will get 15. Clear? Now what will be your LCM over here? Your LCM will be 2 into 3 into 5 into 3. So what you will get as your LCM? That is 90. Clear?